This is Philip Winston. I'm going to show you Visual Studio Code debugging Nepari project I'm working on. Visual Studio Code came out in 2015, I think, and Microsoft has put a lot of money behind it. It's free. It's for developing many different languages, C++, Java, Python, Go, C#, TypeScript. And it's really well done, very well engineered, and let's give it a try. So I'm going to show the debugger. This is the file view and find in files, get extensions, different things. So this is the debugger. I choose my test case up here or my script to run. I'm running Nepari. This is a Python image data viewer. I had a breakpoint there. I'm going to get rid of it. So here's Nepari. I can turn this off, and this is just showing noise, but flipping through. So now I know for a fact that this is going to hit the chunk loader. So request is compatible there, this function. So I'm put a breakpoint here, and I go back, and now I just use Nepari normally. Step, and it hits the breakpoint. And over on the left, we have the variables, locals, and globals that are automatically chosen based on the context. You can drill into these. So the layer has a color map. The color map has another color map object. Let's look at something else. Dims, go into there. Yeah, so the watch window is next. It's pretty much the same thing, except you get to type in whatever you want. And this is useful. So I do the layer.dims, and there it is. And if I drill in, I see, oh, I have this clip variable. So say I just want to look at that. I can just type clip. And there it is. It's true. And the lower left, we have the call stack, which is super important. So I'm going back through the stack. At every point is a different context because it's a different function that was called. If you hover over a variable here, it shows you the entire contents, and you can drill into that. I don't know, can you resize it? Maybe not. And yeah, so we go back to the top. And the last major thing is the debug console. So again, the same sort of expressions. So I can type layer dot, let's do name. That's the name. And I can't really think of an expression, but you can type any old expression here. So 2 to the 64th power. So you can call functions. You can actually make stuff happen in here. What do we have? Data ID. Other data ID. Okay, that's the major stuff. So we've got the variables, the watch window, the call stack, the breakpoints, and the debug console. Thank you. Bye.